In a small village nestled in the rolling hills of East Africa, lived a kind-hearted girl named Mwende. Her father, a respected elder in the village, had remarried after the death of Mwende's mother. His new wife, Nia, was beautiful but carried a heart as cold as ice. Mwende's days were filled with chores and endless tasks assigned by her stepmother. While her father was away tending to village matters, Nia treated Mwende harshly, always finding fault with her and making her life miserable. Despite the cruelty, Mwende remained hopeful and kind, finding solace in her friendship with the village children and her love for storytelling. One evening, as the village gathered around a crackling fire to share stories, Mwende recounted a tale her mother had once told her. It was about a magical baobab tree that could grant wishes to those pure of heart. The village elders listened intently, and the children's eyes sparkled with wonder. Jealous of the attention Mwende received and fearful of her kindness overshadowing her own, Nia devised a wicked plan. She spread rumors in the village that Mwende was a witch, using her stories to cast spells. The villagers, though initially skeptical, began to doubt Mwende, for Nia's words were as persuasive as they were poisonous. One day, Nia ordered Mwende to fetch water from a distant river, hoping she would get lost in the dense forest. As Mwende trudged through the woods, tears streaming down her face, she stumbled upon an ancient baobab tree. Remembering her mother's story, she knelt beside the tree and whispered her wish for happiness and freedom from her stepmother's cruelty. To her amazement, the tree began to glow with a warm, golden light. An old spirit emerged from its trunk, a gentle smile on his face. "Mwende," he said, "your heart is pure, and your wish is heard. Return to your village, and fear not." Mwende hurried back, her heart filled with hope. As she entered the village, she found her father waiting, surrounded by villagers. They had discovered Nia's deceit and cruelty. The village elders, having seen through Nia's lies, decided to banish her from the village. Mwende's father, heartbroken by his misplaced trust, vowed to protect his daughter and ensure she never faced such hardship again. Freed from her stepmother's tyranny, Mwende flourished. She continued to share her stories, filling the village with joy and wisdom. The magical baobab tree, now a symbol of hope and justice, stood tall and proud, reminding everyone of the power of kindness and truth. And so, Mwende and her father lived in peace, surrounded by the love and support of their village, proving that even in the face of darkness, the light of a pure heart can prevail.